Is it a functions as a service thing? Is it a PaaS? Is it a container as a service? Don't know, don't care from an end user, right? You just want to deploy your workload. You want to tell the platform how it should run, right? Should it scale, yes or no? Is it a batch job? Do you need internet connectivity because it's an HTTP serving thing? You just tell us the semantics and magic happens under the covers, right? So in the future, where we think Code Engine is going and where we think the industry is going is you should have what we think of it as a serverless distributed applications where doesn't matter what kind of workload it is, it's just going to run, whether it's stateful or stateless, doesn't matter. You should be able to access high or low memory usage, disk usage, CPU, whatever you want. You should be able to access it by just a configuration knob, okay? You should expect things like security built in, not just for accessing the application from the internet, but then also for things that are behind the scenes that don't have internet-facing things. You know, you want private communication between them, like we showed you, between the applications, between like the Adventure thing and the web app and the thumbnail thing, okay? Abstract programming model. Again, you should expect a simplified user experience, not just from a UI, but from an API perspective and from what we want to call the resource model here, or program model, right? Single user experience for all of these types of applications. You should not be forced to think anymore about what kind of application it is, what kind of platform you want. Your platform should figure that out for you through simple configuration knobs, right? Architecture processors, right? Yes, you should be able to do things like run different things like Z, P versus Intel and that stuff, but also if you want GPU differentiation, right? You should not be forced to go to a whole different platform just because you want GPU support. You should be able to tweak a configuration knob and say, hey, these need GPU, those don't. You should have to think about it beyond that, okay? Distributed environment. We should also be able to support these workloads running multiple places. Today with Code Engine, it's a single multi-tenant environment. In the future, you will be able to deploy Code Engine stuff to other environments. Just to wet your whistle a little, that is coming.